Hey guys, what's up? I'm Mr. Steiger. This is Mr. Shea right here. We're going to be doing a little science experiment with you guys at home today.
So in class we've been studying the forms solid, liquid, and gas. And today we have an experiment that's going to kind of cover those three things.
So, a solid is when the particles are packed tightly together.
A liquid, the particles are not held in regular arrangement, but are still very close together.
And lastly, gas is when the particles have a lot of space to move around. So, water is a great substance to do this experiment with.
So for this specific experiment, you're going to need some materials that you'll probably have at home. So first you'll need some ice. You'll need a decent sized bowl.
You're going to need water, and last but not least, you are going to need some rock ice.
And a thermometer.
Correction, that is rock salt. Alright, so for this experiment, we want you guys to make a prediction. What's going to happen when we mix water, rock salt, and ice together? Go ahead and jot these down in your journals and make a prediction. Alright, so now that we've made our predictions, it's time to get onto that experiment. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to break down this ice, put it in a little pitcher right here. Alright, so now that we got it filled to the brim, what we're going to do is we're going to take this ice and we're going to put it in our bowl. So, now it's very important for this step that we have our temperature mechanism. So we're going to put both of these water bottles in here, and we're going to stick the thermometer in here until it gets to -8 degrees Celsius.
Put rock salt in there too. And the most important step is you'll take the rock salt.
Did you pause it or?
And you want to pour the rock salt, a pretty heavy hand, into the bowl. So now that you have your water bottle submerged in the ice, you want to pour rock salt onto the ice. Then you want to wait until the thermometer says -8 degrees. So now that the ice has reached -8 Celsius, you're ready for the next step of the experiment. So what you want to do now is you want to very, very carefully take one of the water bottles out of the ice.
So it's important for this part that you don't yank it out really quick. You want to pull it out delicately, and the next thing you're going to do is you're going to set it on the table, you're going to lift it up, and then you're going to bang it on the table.
So now that you've tried the experiment, we have a couple questions for you that we would like you to take your journal and answer these questions.
So the first question that we're wondering is, why do you think that the liquid turned into ice so quickly?
And the second question that we have for you is, do you think it is possible to turn a solid into a gas at the same rapid pace?
That's all for now, folks.
All right, guys, thank you.